Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be speaking about night photography and how to do it and what tips I can give you guys. For those new people here, subscribe below, please share the video, and I hope you guys learned something. So we're going to be speaking about night photography and some tips I can give you guys on it. So the other night I went out with a friend to Mhlanga village and took a few photos at night, like just getting some lights in and getting some reflections in the puddles and just doing something creative and trying to find some like ideas and different views. So first of all, what you're going to need to get night photos, most importantly, is a tripod, because you're going to be using long exposure shots. So you need to keep the camera steady. Long exposure shots, put the shutter speed to about 25 to 30 seconds and always keep the ISO as low down as possible so you don't get too much noise in the photo. So here are some of the photos that I captured when I went out the other night. So the one image in particular, I've had a few comments on how I actually got this shot, is when the car was driving past me and there's like a red line of lights. So to get that shot you have to first of all put your camera on a tripod and get it in the right position. Make sure your ISO is at about 100 or 200 I say. Then turn your aperture the whole way up to as high as your camera can go. My camera can go to 22. Then you take your shutter speed and you pull it the whole way across to 30 seconds. So this will make the camera stay open for 30 seconds, so the image is going to be taken for 30 seconds and then you come up with this. So with night photography, depending on what you want to capture. If you want to capture the stars, you go to a place where there's no lights at all, because you want to get as much stars as possible. If you're going for like more of like a capturing lights and reflections and all that stuff, go to a place where there's lots of different colorful lights and just try to see what you can get. So I did go out just to take photos, but I did capture 1 or 2 videos of like behind the scenes type of thing. So here's a short little clip of what happened that night.